Thank you for watching this video from our company, Isoplotec. This time, we will introduce the functions of PloView. PloView is an inexpensive, high-performance viewer based on HPGL, a plotter control language for drawing. PloView can read a large number of de facto standard graphic format files and display, search, mark, print, convert data, and edit drawings. Now, we will introduce the functions of PloView in a video. This explains the page combining and separating functions for multi-page files when opening a file. A multi-page file is a file that consists of multiple pages, as shown in the figure on the left. When you open a multi-page file with multi-page off, all pages are displayed overlapping on one page, as shown in the figure above. When you open a multi-page file with multi-page on, all pages are loaded separately into multiple pages, as shown in the figure below. I'll explain in a video. Start PloView. Select the Open File menu. Turn off multi-page at the bottom. In this state, load a multi-page file. All pages will then be displayed overlapping the first page. Next, select the Open File menu. Then turn multi-page on. In this state, load a multi-page file. All pages will then be loaded separately. You can change pages by pressing the Page Forward button. Here is an explanation of the multi-file combining function. Opening multiple files means specifying and opening multiple files at the same time. To specify multiple files, hold down the Control key and select each file. After selecting the last file, press the Open button. This will automatically switch to multi-page on and multiple files will be loaded. The pages of each file will be displayed divided into multiple pages. You can change the pages by using the Page Forward button. Let's explain in the video. Select the Open File menu. Multi-page can be either on or off. In this state, hold down the Control key and select each file. After selecting the last file, press the Open button. This will automatically switch multi-page on, and multiple files will be loaded. Each file's pages will then be split into multiple pages and displayed. You can change pages by using the Page Forward and Backward buttons. This section explains the editing functions when opening a file. Terminology is explained here. View file is an input file such as HPGL, PDF, or DWG. View data is the internal data that PloView loads into the view file. Comment data is the internal data created by PloView's editing function. Comment file is the file that PloView outputs as comment data. Next, we will explain how PloView works. In the File Open dialog, there is a check mark for editing on OFF. If you open a view file with editing off, the view data can only be displayed and cannot be edited, but you can add comment data above the view data. If you save in this state, the view file will be the same as before it was opened, and a new comment file will be created. If you open a view file with editing on, the view file will be converted to comment data and loaded. This comment data can be edited. If you save in this state, a new comment file will be created. I will explain in the video. Select the menu to open a file. If you open a file with editing turned off, you can add comments without editing. Add a simple comment. Add a double correction line to the 100K text. Enter the corrected text of 120K below that. Enter a cloud mark in the corrected area. When closing the file, if a comment has been added or edited, you will be prompted to save the comment. Next, select the Open File menu to open a new file. If you open a file with editing turned on, the open file can be automatically converted to a comment and edited. Edit the comments of the open file. Recognize and move a shape within a certain area. Select the comment selection icon and click the vertex of the polygon area that contains the shape to be moved. A recognition mark will appear on the shape to be moved. Drag the mouse from the point before the move to the point after the move. When you select the comment selection icon, the recognition mark will disappear. Click the Undo Comment icon to cancel the move. Change the 100K text to 120K and add a cloud mark to the changed area. Select the comment selection icon and double-click the 100K text. The comment text dialog will then be displayed. Change the 100K text to 120K and press the OK button. The text will then change to 120K. Click the polyline input icon, change the polyline line type to a cloud mark, and press the OK button. Then click the bend points of the cloud mark, and finally click the start point to enter a closed cloud mark. Explain the display function. Display commands include full view, zoom window, shift view, rotation, mirror, and page switching. Explain with a video. Select the Open File menu. Open the file with Edit Off and Multi-Page Off. Drag from the first point to the second point with the right mouse button to zoom in. Drag from the first point to the second point with the middle mouse button to shift the view. Rotate the middle mouse button to zoom in or out. Press the left mouse button to display the full view. Click the 90, 180, 270, or 0 icon on the left to rotate the view 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, or 0 degrees. Click the R icon on the left to display mirrored images. Click the R icon again to turn mirrored images off. Explains the pen settings function. Brings up the pen settings dialog. You can set the pen color, line width, black and white display on off, background color, and fill on off. Turn on the black and white display mode. Some shapes become invisible when filled, so turn off filling. Restore the black and white display mode and fill settings. Setting the pen table number to 1 will make the background color black. Explains line-to-line dimension measurement. Displays the line-to-line dimension measurement dialog. Select opposing lines to see line spacing, angle, pen number, etc. Introduces line connection search. Displays the line connection search dialog. Click on a line to see a green line from the start point to the end point and see the total line length and area. Introduces character search. displays the character search dialog. Specify the string you want to search for example Q101, and the searched character will be displayed in yellow in the center of the screen. We will explain the plotter and printer output functions. To output, bring up the plotter settings dialog. In the plotter settings dialog, specify the output device, printer settings, plotter editing, automatic scaling, output scale, automatic paper selection, output file name, etc. This time, we will output to the printer under the following conditions. Press the printer settings button. Set the printer name to PDF Creator, the paper size to A4, and the paper orientation to landscape. PDF Creator is a printer driver that outputs to a PDF file instead of printing on paper. Set the output device to Windows Printer 1, turn on automatic scaling, and press the preview button. Check the contents on the preview screen, and if there are no problems, press the print button. This will create a PDF file. When PDF Creator creates a PDF, it starts Acrobat Reader, loads the created PDF file, and displays it. This explains PDF output. The PDF settings dialog is displayed. The PDF output here has advanced functions compared to PDF output by printer drivers such as PDF Creator, which was introduced in the printer output demo. For example, PDF layers, cloud marks, note annotations, and color operators can be used to display mixed colors between shapes. This time, PDF output will be performed under the following conditions. Turn on automatic scaling. Set the paper size to A4 width, layer output to page, PDF color operator to CMYK enable merge, and output form of page to one file multi-page. Specify the output PDF file name and press the OK button to create a PDF file. Start Acrobat Reader, open the created PDF file, and display it. You can check the PDF file output by PloView. The layers are Lay 1 for page 1, Lay 2 for page 2, and Lay 3 for page 3. Each time you click on the layers Lay 1, Lay 2, or Lay 3, the layer display will turn on and off. Finally, we will introduce an overview of PloView. Since its first release in 1995, PloView has been used by many customers and has been repeatedly upgraded in response to customer requests. PloView runs on Windows PCs. It supports many input and output file formats. It can combine and separate file pages. It has viewer, data conversion, printing, and drawing editing functions. The license fee is $70 per license. For more information, please refer to the homepage at the displayed URL. Thank you for watching.